SOBR Stock Analysis Tuesday and onwards. Am I buying? Covering all this in this short 1 minute video, so watch till the end. SOBR Safe, Sobr Safe is just $1.30, like 8% down or something. First glance, Sobr is not looking good for me, like Sobr Safe, to be very frank. Still a bearish market. I mean, I've spent 5 figures on courses and mentors. I've done 36,000 videos. So I definitely have seen what's working for me and what's not. Specifically Sobr Safe, for me to really be like head over heels on for SOBR, the price must start breaking above $1.45. And it's really not that far away. So the moment I start seeing a little moves up and then a double break, then I'm looking to take it down. If not, it's all good, you know. So I will continue to keep you updated. And if you want to make more money trading in a simple and lean way, click the first link in the description. That's a free newsletter. So goodbye and enjoy. I mean, there's nothing else for me to add here. It's all good. See ya.